Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to check for any errors on your USB drive or your SD card and how you can repair them as well. So as you can see, I'm using my flash drive Toshiba and my SD card SDXC for this tutorial. So I have my SD card in drive F and my flash drive on my drive E. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. This is a simple process that does not require any software, and you do this if you suspect loss of data on your drives. If your drives have gone significantly slower, this will definitely help and aid to that situation. So I'm going to go on my flash drive, right click properties. You're going to go to tools and you can see there's a tab that says error checking. You're going to click on check. So on the top it says that the drive did not find any errors. However, if your drive have no errors and they're still slower, you can select scan and repair drive. Now my drive doesn't have any errors. However, if yours do have errors, it will pick it up and it will definitely fix it. So allow this a moment to scan and repair your drive. It will take a while depending on the content you have on your drive. It's still scanning and repairing. Okay, now it's done. Your drive was successfully scanned. It didn't pick up any errors and it didn't need to repair anything. So we're going to do the same thing on the SD card. Right click properties, go to the tools tab, check. No errors were picked up. We're going to scan and repair the drive. And it's done. Now this was quicker because I didn't have much content on this. And that's how you check for any errors on your drives, guys.